What up, ladies and gentlemen? Is your boy, we're still here live with me. Someone special, someone I would love you guys to meet. And I am privileged to have her on my channel. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Let's get to meet her. Could you please tell us your name?
I'm Trina Schamberg.
Where are you from?
I'm from Aurora, Colorado.
What do you do?
I am an English teacher at Vista Peak Preparatory in Aurora, Colorado. I also teach concurrent enrollment classes with the Community College of Aurora.
I promote Igbo language out here. Do you know about any Igbo person, Igbo friends, or have you heard about any Igbo great person?
So my favorite author right now is Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, and I'm sure I'm not doing her name any justice, but she is my favorite author.
Shout out to Chimamanda Adichie. She is a princess. She's an amazing person, a well-recognized person in Nigeria, especially from the Igbo land, right? Yeah. So how many of her novels have you read?
Oh, I've read so many. I teach her Harvard Address, I teach her TED Talk, The Danger of a Single Story, and I also teach her novel Americana.
Chimamanda in Nigeria, in Igbo land, she is a princess. So princess is called Adaeze. So I want you to call Chimamanda Adaeze.
A daisy?
I pray Chimamanda gets to see this video one day.
Because I'm a big fan.
Okay, so you say Chukwu gozie unu.
Chukwu gozie unu?
Nice. Chukwu gozie unu means God bless you all.
Yes.
So you're blessing them, right? And then you now say Abumadeze. You call your name and say Abumadeze.
Trina Abumadeze.
Okay, she's a princess. Yeah, so Abumadeze means I'm a princess.
Okay.
Then say Umuwanyi Maramma.
Umuwan
Marama. Umuwanyi Marama.
Sorry.
Umuwanyi Marama means the beautiful girls,
the
right?
Beautiful girl.
Last one is gonna be awesome. Say Igbo Amaka.
Ebu Amaka.
She said Igbo Amaka means Igbo is beautiful. So because of Chimamanda, what do you have to say to our younger generation, our younger girls out there in Nigeria, Africa, and Igbo land?
Oh my gosh, she is such an inspiration to all of us, and she's a beautiful human being, and just females, like, you are worth something, you are amazing, you are beautiful, and just everybody should value you. Everybody should understand your opinions and know who you are, and I'm just so proud of you. And so Chimamanda, she's just an inspiration to everybody to be who we feel like is our best female self.
Are you married?
I am.
Okay, thank you so much. This is beautiful, guys. She's a great person. I want you to give a shout out to my fans.
Hey, shout out fans. He's amazing, and I appreciate being here. And I just happened upon him on a street, and I'm so glad to be able to talk to you. And I love Chimamanda, and I love all of you, and I'm just so glad you're here.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.